January, this was the largest single employer on Maui. 600 people. A lot of them are retired. They worked there the entire life. Had the biggest machine shop of the Hawaiian Islands because they did all their own repair on all their equipment.
I'm getting a little nauseous here. Is there like a bag just in case here?
Not sure what they're gonna do. I saw some deer when we came in my first trip. They were right along that tree line, which will be on our right-hand side. See if they're still hanging out there.
Imagine if they were around and saw highways on the sacred grounds. How would they feel about this modern city life?
Yeah, this is Hanson Road off to the right. We're just ready to cross over on a highway.
You'll understand that before there was a Clark Kent, there was a Hawaiian Superman. He fished out the islands with the magic hole. There would have been more, somebody look. In blue morning sky, the sun he entwined. Slow down his flight so copper could try, yeah. Mischievous, motherless, magical Maui, hero of this land. The one, the only, the ultimate Hawaiian Superman. Maui, 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 Hawaiian Superman.
Almost got you.